Ni hao.
Okay, yeah. Hello, hello. Sorry, hello.
No, it's okay. Where are you from?
China.
Oh, wow. Are you cooking or eating?
Eating
Okay, can I see your food?
a leg.
Is Chinese food as good as I see on internet?
Of
Ah,
course, but there are so many cooks. We have good cooks or bad cooks.
ah,
Oh, the bad cooks
yes.
is in all over the world, but almost are all bad.
Oh, okay. Which city do you live in?
Shenzhen, you know that.
Is there any Muslim people around you?
Yeah. The Muslim is everywhere.
Have you met any Muslim people before?
Of course, of course. We also have many Muslim restaurants in Shenzhen. Do you
Oh,
know Xinjiang?
yes.
Most Muslims in China are
Mm-hmm.
all from Xinjiang.
What do Chinese people think about Muslim?
We are open to everyone,
Uh-huh.
so we have different feelings. It's just like the common people.
China welcome to every culture, every religion. It's a multicultural country. I get you.
Yeah,
Yeah. Do you see any restaurant that is owned by Muslim people?
yeah. Of course, many, many.
Oh,
Mm,
you know the halal food?
yeah, yes, I know that. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we have got that kind of restaurant.
Okay, of course, you have tried halal food before in the Muslim restaurant, and you have also tried so many restaurant food. So, what is the difference between Muslim restaurant and non-Muslim restaurant?
Just no pork, right?
Oh, oh,
No,
okay,
no difference.
no
We,
difference.
we are. Yeah. I cannot tell some difference between them. We
Oh,
are all used.
I see, I see. I watch a lot of video on YouTube because I want to go there. But one thing I really got a notice, the people of China don't speak English well. So this is the most barrier to engage with the local people.
You can get a AI translation. Now the technology is so developing, right? There's no need worry about that. There are many apps for translate. Yeah, translate. You can have it. Attractions. There are many volunteers. Travel attractions.
Oh, the Chinese volunteer.
If you yes. If you have some question, you can just find the
Mm-hmm.
people like like us young people. We can say
Oh,
English. Just
help,
help.
help.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, help.
And look, I see when the people really land into your airport, and for the first time, they can really understand where to go, what should I do to translate or to exchange the money as well. There's some Chinese people who come across to this person and say, "Can I help you? Can I help you?" And the man said, "Yes." So the man from China, he really helped to this person. This is really a very good hospitality. I like that.
Yes. I got that kind of point.
If I come to your country, so I wanna meet you.
Oh, okay. Come first.
So I wanna try every food which is halal, no pork.
Every Muslim restaurant they have this sign. Xinjiang.
Oh,
You can read after me. Xinjiang.
Xinjiang,
Xing. Yes, you can find the Xinjiang restaurant. They will all know
Oh,
no pork.
Xinjiang
Yeah,
restaurant. That means no pork.
yes, Xinjiang. The sign is mean to the restaurant is just for Muslim. No,
Ah,
it's Muslim restaurant for everyone.
so Xinjiang is the restaurant for Muslim.
Xinjiang. Yes, yes.
Oh, I see. This is really so important. I must remember it in my head.
Okay.
So you bought this on from the Muslim restaurant?
Yes. We bought this chicken from
Uh-huh.
the restaurant. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Anyway, I'm from Bangladesh originally, okay? So, you know Bangladesh?
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, oh. Now I understand that many Muslims surrounded by you. That's why you hear this. Oh, amazing. Finally, I got a nice compliment from you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I won't disturb you. You are much welcome to Bangladesh. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Shishi.
welcome to China.
Oh, of course. Shishi.
不客气，不客气。
Shishi. Bye bye.